Hey guys, your Trusty Toy Channel here, and for today, we have the NOMS Mystery Sweet Treats Mega Pack. This has 25 all-new, never-before-seen NOMS, and these are so cool. Can't wait to see what's inside, so without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so let's get this guy open. So there's going to be 22 NOMS and 3 2-flavored gloss-ups. Alright, and that is so cool. It looks like a cupcake cooking sheet for the box. And first up, who do we have? We have Sweetie S'mores. That is awesome. Smells like s'mores, and there's even a little bite taken out of the ear. That is so cute. Alright, who do we have next? Let's see. Oh, no way. We got Mango Sparkle. Looks like rock candy, which is really cool. And smells like mangoes. Love it. Next up, who did we get? Oh wow, Bubbly Pop. It's kind of see-through. It's really awesome and smells like bubblegum. Alright, next up. Wow, we got Priscilla Peach. Definitely smells like peaches and looks really tasty. Alright, one more. Here we go. We got CC Puffs or Cotton Candy Puffs. Definitely smells like cotton candy. And wow, check out that little cone. That is so cute. Here we go. Our next one. Oh wow, look at the details on that, on Riley Razzie. Smells like raspberries, and that is amazing detail on it. Who's next? Oh cool, Velvet Stripes. That is amazing. All those little details, all those lines is crazy cool. And these are all never before seen. I've already said that earlier, but they're really cool. And awesome. Guys, we got Citrus Pop. Smells like oranges. And who is next? Oh, wow. Looks kind of angry. We got Sugar Jelly. Smelling like sugar cookies. It's very smooth too. Wow. Guys, I want you to let me know which one's your favorite that we're going to open today. And awesome. Got Bubbly Puffs. Smelling like bubble gum. And looking cute too. Ooh. We got CC Splits or Cotton Candy Splits. That looks so tasty. And look at all the little dimples for the ice cream. So good. So cool looking. I gotta say that one's probably my favorite. And then we got Mystery Monica. Has a mystery scent to it. Yeah, I'm not quite sure either. Maybe like berries? Anyway, we got this one now. Ooh. Miley Mellow. Like a marshmallow. Very smooth. Really cute looking. Huh. Who do we have next? Ooh, pineapple jelly. Kind of looks like the sugar jelly from earlier. And this one looks a little happier. Let's set you in there. And oh, we got one of the gloss-ups. This one is CC gloss-up, or cotton candy gloss-up. And look at the two flavors. So cool. Alright. Nice. Autumn cream. Smelling like pumpkins. So cool. Oh, whoa. Oh, cool. Swirly Shirley. You're smelling like strawberries. And looking really cute, too. Check out all that frosting. Looks really tasty. Oh, wow. Pinky Mallow. And this one has glitter on it, too. Check it out. Kinda dimply with all the glitter on it. And it is a cute looking face with the little bow on it and stuff. Awesome. Ooh, cool. Got lemon pop. Got nice little bows on it. So cool. Let's see. Oh, we got another gloss up. This one's Vanilla Berry Gloss Up. Check it out. We got vanilla and blueberry flavors. Oh wow, we got Wild Wally. Smells like grapes for sure. And check it out, they got a little bite out of the ear. And I just love the little details they put in all the ice cream ones. Huh. Here we got Precious Peach. Check out the little swirl design. Oh wow, super tasty looking. And smelling like peach too. Huh. What did you get? Wow. Ice Cream Sammy. Check out that. That's so cool. Smells like vanilla too. Awesome, awesome. Got two more left to open up. Oh. Huh, got Berry Pop. Smells like strawberries. And I love the see-through ones. Those are some of my favorites. Last but not least, I think we're gonna get a gloss up. Yes, we did. We got Berry Vanilla Gloss Up. Check it out. We got strawberry and vanilla flavors for the lip gloss. So yeah, guys, let me know, who's your favorite? I probably, let's see, I like this one. I like that one too. Oh, that one has to be my favorite. And that one's cool. I like that gloss up the most. Then, ooh, I like this one. Yeah, a lot of cool ones. Ooh, that one's cool. Yeah. Oh, wow. Want to become part of the Trusty Toy Team? It's easy. Just hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. Be sure to check out our last video too. And we look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.